It's okay. There's a lot going on.
Oh yeah, here we go. Oh my God. Pretty excited. Oh yes. The Avata 360. Oh, this has to be the drone. Oh my gosh, there she is. This is super heavy. Oh, looks great. Hello, how's it going, everybody? Today, I think we're gonna go with something different today. Did the Neo the other day, so today I think I'm gonna go with the Neo 2. And I do got the 360, and I just flew it in the basement because it was really windy yesterday. And I got to be honest, I think this software is going to kick my butt a little bit because it is bizarre. It's cool, flies great, but it's going to take a while to figure out this software for me. A little slow, I guess. So I'm definitely gonna bring the 360 and fly it, but I'm gonna have to watch a bunch of videos from people that know what they're doing. I'm gonna have to watch some of them videos. So I'm definitely gonna bring the old Avata 360 out. Whether or not I post it is another thing. Like I said, I'm very much a noob. I have a ton of drones, and I love them. I love flying them. I think it's the best hobby in the world. Coolest community, everybody in the drones. I watch so many people's videos. Sean the Drone, We're the Roberts, the quadcopter guy in Idaho. He's awesome. There's so many cool guys that I watch, and I learn a bunch of stuff. But by no means am I a pro or know what the heck I'm doing. But I have fun. All right, I think I'm going to go with the 360 first. Could be a crappy day. I still have 0 satellites, and it's freaking cold, and the wind's picking up. So sick of Wisconsin weather. It's 30-some degrees right now. Jeez. hands are frozen. I waited too long this morning, but I just climbed up here. Probably don't look like much, but... And now it's super windy, so... Now it's not a range test. I'll fly into the wind, but I'm not going to get far. That wind is strong. It's probably at least 15 miles an hour. It's, feel a steady breeze on my face. Bummer. Little bit of a hike back to the car. Got rain off in the distance coming this way. Not a fan. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit subscribe, please. I will get better, I promise. I promise I'll get better. But man, my hands are frozen. It's like 30-some degrees. Not cool. Not cool at all. And rain is coming. Hopefully I get back before then. There it is, but there's a little bit of a hike involved to get back. Worst comes to worst, I suppose I could just run down through there and wipe out. No thanks. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, everybody. I will get better, I promise. Hope everybody has a good weekend. God bless. He loves laying on the DJI carpet. That's Norman. Real quick, my fiance's son. His name's Jack. He's a good young man. Look what he got me. Is that badass or what? Oh. Kind of a Lord of the Rings nut. You can't tell. Look at that. Got to share the DJI rug.